Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our second alternate card using the May 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So what do I have? I have got a Daffodil Delight card base. I have got one of the envelopes cut to 5 1/4 by 4. I have got the side of one of the cards, this one here, and I just trimmed it off just to cut the lights off. And I used the little flower from Fragrant Layers, and I stamped in Misty Moonlight all over it. And that's going to go in the middle. Then I'm going to use the little starburst piece here, or the firework piece, and then the Just a Note from the Fragrant Layers set is going to go here. And I cut this out using the triple banner punch, and then I just put it on a piece of Misty Moonlight scrap. And then just trimmed it out with scissors. So I had it all kind of organized like this, and I realized this was just a little bit plain, so that's why I'm going to pop the starburst in. But the first thing I need to do is adhere my envelope down. So like I was saying in alternate one, I'm really struggling with this kit because there's no flowers in it. So I am making my alternates have flowers or greenery or something of some kind just to make it just more me. Like I say, I'm struggling with the lack of flowers. So I am just going to put this down here as a placeholder, and I'm just going to just tuck this in. I want most of it to show, so it's going to sit there like that. And then I'm just going to flat mount this piece, and it is going to go right there like that. And we're going to make sure we're straight. There we go. And then the Just a Note, I've dimensionalized it, and it is going to sit right here like this. Just make sure I'm straight. There we go. And I've still got some gold foil gems that I am going to use to bling this up a little bit. I thought about putting bling on each of the flowers, but I thought that might just be a little bit too much. You could definitely Night of Navy them for sure, but I'm just going to put a little bit of bling just around, just to kind of liven it up a little bit. So just kind of randomly placing them. So that is super quick. Second alternate card using the May 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit and the little floral stamp from Fragrant Layers. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.